Can small sample sizes mislead baseball coaches? Have you ever wondered if a few games can really tell us about a player's true talent? This question is especially important in baseball, where statistics play a huge role in decision-making. Small sample sizes can indeed mislead baseball coaches, and here's why. In baseball, sample size refers to the number of relevant events, like at-bats or plate appearances, that are used to calculate statistics. When the sample size is small, the data can be influenced by random chance. For example, a player might have a few lucky hits that skew their batting average. This can create a false impression of their actual skill level. Larger sample sizes tend to produce more reliable statistics. They help to smooth out the noise and variability that can occur in smaller sets of data. When coaches relying on small sample sizes, they risk making decisions based on misleading information. A player might appear to be on a hot streak or in a slump, but those short-term trends may not reflect their true abilities. Certain statistics are more sensitive to sample size than others. Batting average can fluctuate widely in small samples. For instance, a player might have a great first week of the season, but that does not guarantee they will maintain that performance. Coaches should be aware that early season numbers can be less dependable. To determine the minimum sample size needed for a statistic to be stable, advanced methods like split-half reliability tests can be used. Coaches should focus on process-oriented evaluations, such as swing mechanics and quality of contact, rather than just results when sample sizes are small. This approach helps avoid being misled by short-term statistical noise. In youth leagues or short-season leagues, where the number of games is limited, coaches often have to make decisions based on less data. This is where caution is key. Coaches should be careful when making lineup or position decisions based on early season stats. Utilizing larger datasets or aggregating data over longer periods can improve decision-making accuracy. Incorporating qualitative assessments alongside quantitative statistics can also help balance the limitations of small samples. Understanding which statistics stabilize quickly can guide coaches on which metrics to trust early in the season. In summary, small sample sizes in baseball statistics can mislead coaches by exaggerating short-term performance variations that do not reflect true skill. Recognizing the importance of sample size and combining statistical data with process evaluation helps mitigate these risks.